This message is for that school in your district. Hey, Nicole, this is Ken Williams. I want to answer your question. I just saw it on Twitter about which question I would ask teams to get them to reflect on their individual practice. Well, I don't think of it as a specific question, but a specific protocol. You see, data can be interpreted 5,000 ways, analyzed 6,000 different ways, but teacher time is so valuable in that collaborative team, we cannot leave to chance them analyzing data in ways that don't move the needle. And so I'm tight on how they analyze that data. And so I embedded a protocol that was part of the process. It was a product that they produced. And the beauty of this protocol, and it's taken from Mike Maddow's, Austin Buffum, and I believe Chris Weber, Simplifying RTI, is that it addresses that question. Question number 2 of their protocol: which instructional practices prove to be most effective on this assessment? That does a couple of things. It takes us away from good teacher, bad teacher, right? And it also gets us focused on that second leveraging arm, which is there is an opportunity for us to improve our instructional practice. One of the reasons we want teams meeting and collaborative teams is because, one, no one teaches all the answers, skills, and competencies to ensure learning for all kids. And 2, you serve as each other's real-time PD. If the question is not embedded in the protocol, and you don't have a protocol embedded in your teaching, learning, and assessment cycle with teachers, they're not going to get to that question. It's just too easy to skip. And it's not part of our natural way of doing things for 200 years. We've always looked at just, which kids got it and which kids didn't. And this new muscle of how can we improve our instructional practice must be developed through repetition. And that repetition comes best through a protocol.